Fashion trends come and go, but we all feel the need to buy something when we're in the shopping mall. That's how we end up with a bunch of clothing filling up our closet every season. Let's be honest though, no matter how much we have in our closet, there are times like we don't have anything to wear. Welcome to Life's Lemons. Today we are giving you 6 hacks to level up your wardrobe for free. These tricks would help you customize the clothes you already have so you can save some money. Number 6. Add a third item. The third item rule is a bit of an unspoken rule for actually polishing an attire. It's pretty basic. The third item is the unexpected item, whether it's a color flash in your bag, a cute graphic tee, or a stylish sweater. This is perfectly simple, but that added item makes your look figured out and pulled together, with no extra effort and expense. Number 5. Change your hairstyle that suits your outfit. When it comes to makeup and hair, don't think too much about trends. Sure, a little bit trendy here and there is fun, but you can actually pull off a look that's timeless and effortless. Just search for the most classy and inspiring style icons. Their hairstyles are typically pretty simple. You can go ahead and follow those or make a slight modification. Go with whatever works for you. Number 4. Go for unexpected combos. There's no shopping required here, just a bit of creativity. Open your closet and pull out your go-tos. Look at various ways you can pair things with each other. Perhaps with items you haven't worn before, like the ones you shoved in the back of your closet. Think of unexpected pairings of patterns and colors that you never thought could go together. Check them out to see what new styles you can pair up. You can also check Pinterest for outfit ideas. Just mix and match and you're good to go. Number 3. Go for dressy casual. Dressy casual is often a safe choice when you don't know what to wear. It strikes a nice balance, not too laid back but not too overdressed. This usually includes a dress, or a blouse and skirt, or dressy slacks. Makeup and jewelry can also change the look of an outfit. Most shoes will work, including boots, loafers, heels, and dressy sandals. Avoid wearing sneakers and flip-flops though. Number 2. Add a fun twist to your everyday attire. It's incredible how a simple adjustment on a shirt or a pair of jeans can significantly influence the whole outfit. Take for example, rolling up your sleeves, cuffing your jeans, cinching a shapeless dress, or knotting a button-down or oversized shirt. Doing these will transform any outfit in no time. Now we are down to the first in our list. Be original and confident. Experimenting something out and then switching one item to something unexpected is a fun idea. You may want to style your outfit in a way that feels unusual for you. Great style doesn't come from following trends or doing what somebody else does. Great style comes from feeling great and confident about what you're wearing. You don't need a stylist to do it. Just be your fabulous self. And there you have it! You just found out our 6 hacks to level up your wardrobe for free. Do you have other outfit hacks to add? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for sticking around! We have lots in store for you, diverse topics that could inform, entertain, and educate your minds with our life hacks. With that said, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date and be part of the notification squad. And if you enjoyed this video, you are going to enjoy our upcoming videos as well. We'll see you guys next time!